Hey everyone, this is me and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to create a end-to-end machine learning project sentiment analysis. Now I'm already created this project, but I want to share with you that how can I make this project end-to-end. I will share you everything in details with good. Now I also upload this project my GitHub, also my Kaggle profile, and also I create a website using this. Now first of all, I think I should give you some demo this website. Now I run this website, just takes some minute. Yeah, it's run. Now I'm going, and now see, this is our website. Now if I this positive, try example, now it show it as positive, and now it tags give this is negative, and now it's natural. If you think this is okay too, we can try some new check, then we can try our model is proper work or not. Now we copy, now we paste and see. Oh, it's right, it's natural. And you can see its original tags and pre-processing tags with machine learning model. Now we can see another. Okay, this takes some time. Okay, wait, I feel something is wrong. We model train, try to this, and now copy, now paste. This is not like that. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is correct. Oh, maybe some issue for loading, whatever, it also works so better. I feel it's cool. So now we show you another website like this model. I create another website. Let's start. Now I show it. This is I made using Flash, CS or JavaScript and HTML. Using this, and I create this website end-to-end. Is using Flash and other HTML or CSS and JavaScript. Now we create our another website, same model. Now we can run Streamlit. Streamlit run app.py. Now we can run it. Okay, see, this our second website using Streamlit, like this same model but another website. Now we can, this is positive. Now we analyze this sentiment, and that is positive, and this is tags original, this is processing tags, and this is the top most frequent word. You can also check it in depth. I hope this is interesting and you loved it. So this is the character count and word count, image count. If this does not have image, so there are no image, I can add this image. Wait, I can use this image, and now I can this and see it count one image and it show it. Wow, that's just really cool, and you can check it anyway. So this is cool website. I feel you loved it and you never see it again in your life, so it's really enjoyable and you can check it, you can use it. So now introduction, you can see everything. Now we just close. Maybe we need to close. Okay, close. And now we show our first model. First we need to go Now we first need to what dataset we use. First of all, you can see there's a lot of dataset. But I use this dataset. I feel this is helpful dataset. That's reason I use this train and test. Have a lot of data now that is helpful to model pre-training. Good. So I use this dataset. You can check some information about this dataset. Have this 0 mean negative, 2 mean natural, and 4 mean positive. This is the dataset, and you can also check this information. But I think I want to share you this notebook so you can in deep analyze this. So first we go this sentiment analyze and try to import everything I explain for good as I try to in this notebook. But if you want to, you can check it and you can learn everything I explain in deep. So first of all, we import library that's necessary, then we loading our dataset and we check some dataset is null and training is good, but test is lot of null below, so we fixed it. And then we can check this data is pretty good because of negative, positives, and it's not bad, like equals, not a lot of difference. So now we can some text length analyze and text clean and preprocessing. Then we go and coding, then model training, then we go model train. You can check we use a lot of model, like we first use logistic regression, logistic regression. Then we use neighbor pairs, then we use SBC, linear SBC. Then this model we use, then we did error analysis, then we test F1 score, and you can check it. And I will share everything in below this YouTube link. Like sorry, I need water. Wait. Sorry for that. Now we model save, then some note and putting it all together. You can check all together as helpful, I feel. Then you can check you can preview the full project application GitHub repository. So this is the link, you can open it and you can connect with me, GitHub, LinkedIn and Twitter, anyway you want to. And then you find this my repository. You find this is so helpful, that help you to understand. I feel okay, fine, just ignore. And now dataset. First of all, we here this dataset, here are the Jupyter notebooks, here the website, and here there's some knowledge about this dataset. First of all, I see this is both dataset train and test, and this is the Jupyter notebook I hope you need to run. And this is our normal website, like using HTML, CSS or JavaScript and API this. And this is Streamlit website. You can see this both, and this is so helpful. So this is our project. I hope you like this, and I hope you come this link and you explore this dataset. You try to analyze the dataset, analyze this project. I hope you enjoy this, and I say you come and check and try to copy this code and try to rewrite you and try it. And I feel it really help you to understand more better way if you come and copy and try to rewrite and try to improve it. Thank you to watch this video. I hope it helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.